If you are a dog owner or want to adopt a dog, you must think about your budget first. Your love for dogs should not cost you beyond your limitation. As pet owners, we understand the importance of giving our dogs the best possible care while being mindful of our financial resources. In this video, we'll share practical tips, creative ideas, and cost-effective strategies that will help you keep your dog happy, healthy, and thriving on a budget. From affordable nutrition and DIY grooming to thrifty toys and preventive healthcare measures. Join us on this journey to discover how you can become a savvy pet parent without compromising on your dog's well-being. Here are 8 tips for budget-friendly dog care. Tip number 1. Budget-friendly pet supplies. Finding budget-friendly pet supplies is crucial for providing excellent care without straining your finances. Start by exploring online shopping options, where competitive prices, promotions, and bulk discounts can save you money. Consider subscription services for regular deliveries of pet essentials at discounted rates. Compare prices across different stores and use promo codes or coupons for additional savings. Join loyalty programs to earn rewards and discounts on future purchases. Try reputable off-brand products for cost-effective alternatives. Don't miss seasonal sales events and local pet fairs for attractive deals. Get creative with DIY toys and accessories using household items to entertain your pet without breaking the bank. Remember to prioritize quality and safety while reducing dog care costs with these smart strategies. Tip number 2. Choosing affordable dog food. When it comes to choosing affordable dog food, it's essential to strike a balance between providing a nutritious diet for your furry friend while being mindful of your budget. First and foremost, understanding pet food labels is crucial to ensure you're making informed decisions. Look for key indicators of quality, such as the presence of real meat as the primary ingredient and avoiding fillers or artificial additives. Buying dog food in bulk can lead to significant cost savings, so keep an eye out for deals on larger packages or consider joining a pet food subscription service. Another cost-effective option is to explore homemade meal options, as this allows you to have better control over the ingredients used and can be more budget-friendly in the long run. However, always consult with your veterinarian or a canine nutritionist to ensure the homemade meals meet your dog's nutritional needs. By implementing these tips, you can provide your canine companion with a well-balanced and affordable diet that promotes their overall health and well-being. Tip number 3. Cost-effective grooming. Cost-effective grooming for your furry friend is not only budget-friendly but also an excellent way to bond and keep your dog looking and feeling their best. Firstly, invest in quality grooming tools like brushes, combs, and nail clippers to maintain your dog's coat and hygiene at home. Regular brushing can reduce the frequency of professional grooming visits. Learn basic grooming techniques, such as trimming nails and cleaning ears, to handle some grooming tasks yourself. Opt for grooming at home or local community pet grooming events, which often offer more affordable rates compared to upscale salons. Additionally, consider scheduling grooming appointments strategically to maximize the time between visits without compromising your dog's well-being. By taking a hands-on approach and seeking out affordable grooming options, you can keep your furry companion looking spiffy while keeping costs in check. Remember to make grooming sessions positive and enjoyable experiences for your dog to strengthen your bond and make the process smoother for both of you. Tip number 4. Healthcare on a budget. Caring for your dog's health on a budget is of utmost importance, and with some strategic planning, you can ensure your furry companion stays happy and healthy without overspending. Prevention is key, so focus on maintaining regular exercise routines to keep your dog physically active and mentally stimulated. Proper exercise can ward off health issues and reduce the need for costly treatments. Stay proactive with preventive healthcare measures, such as keeping up with vaccinations and parasite prevention to avoid potential illnesses and infestations that could lead to expensive vet visits. Keep an eye out for low-cost or community-based veterinary clinics that offer vaccinations and basic health checkups at reduced rates. For routine care, such as dental health, opt for at-home dental hygiene practices like brushing your dog's teeth regularly and providing dental chews. Moreover, consider pet insurance to provide financial protection in case of unexpected medical emergencies. By being proactive, staying informed about your dog's health needs, and seeking out cost-effective options, you can prioritize your pet's well-being without compromising your budget. Remember that open communication with your veterinarian is essential, as they can offer guidance on maintaining your dog's health while considering your financial limitations. Tip number 5. Veterinary care savings. Veterinary care savings can be achieved through various means, allowing you to prioritize your dog's health without breaking the bank. Start by exploring low-cost veterinary clinics or community-based options that offer affordable vaccinations, routine checkups, and basic medical services. Look into pet insurance plans, as they can provide financial security during unexpected health crises. Consider setting aside a small amount regularly in a dedicated pet savings fund to help cover future veterinary expenses. Staying vigilant about your dog's health by practicing preventive care, such as regular exercise, proper nutrition, and parasite prevention, can reduce the likelihood of costly treatments. Additionally, open communication with your veterinarian can lead to cost-effective solutions, as they might suggest generic medications or alternative treatment options. By combining these strategies, you can strike a balance between providing excellent veterinary care for your furry companion and managing your budget responsibly. Tip number 6. Training. Low-budget dog training can be both effective and rewarding with the right approach. Start by educating yourself on positive reinforcement techniques, which rely on praise, treats, and rewards to reinforce desired behaviors. Utilize free online resources, such as training videos and articles, to learn essential commands and basic obedience exercises. Patience and consistency are key, as short daily training sessions can be just as effective as longer ones. Repurpose household items like cardboard boxes or empty plastic bottles for DIY agility obstacles to engage your dog's mind and body without spending extra. Socializing your dog with other well-behaved canines in local dog parks or meetups is an excellent way to encourage good behavior and build confidence. Consider joining online dog training communities or forums to exchange tips and experiences with other dog owners on a budget. With creativity, dedication, and a willingness to bond with your furry friend, you can achieve positive results and foster a harmonious relationship with your dog while keeping your expenses in check. Remember that building trust and maintaining consistency are key elements in successful low-budget dog training. Tip number 7. Thrifty Dog Toys. Thrifty Dog Toys can provide hours of entertainment and mental stimulation for your furry friend without straining your wallet. Get creative and repurpose household items like old t-shirts or socks into DIY tug toys or knot ropes. Empty cardboard boxes or plastic containers can become exciting puzzle toys when filled with treats, engaging your dog's problem-solving skills. Explore your local dollar store for affordable plush toys or squeakers that are budget-friendly yet enjoyable for your canine companion. Additionally, visit thrift stores or garage sales to find gently used toys at a fraction of the original cost. Repurpose old tennis balls or plastic bottles to create engaging fetch toys that your dog will love. Rotate toys regularly to keep your dog's interest high and maximize their lifespan. Remember to prioritize safety by avoiding toys with small parts that could be swallowed, and always supervise your dog during playtime. With a bit of imagination and resourcefulness, you can provide a variety of exciting toys that keep your dog happy and entertained while staying within your budget. Tip number 8. Rescue and adoption. Tip number 8. Rescue and adoption. Rescue and adoption are not only compassionate choices but also budget-friendly ways to bring a furry companion into your life. Many animal shelters and rescue organizations offer dogs for adoption at significantly lower costs compared to purchasing from breeders. Adoption fees often cover vaccinations, spaying, neutering, and sometimes even microchipping, which can save you a considerable amount on initial expenses. Additionally, rescued dogs are usually older and may have some basic training, potentially reducing the need for costly puppy training classes. Beyond financial benefits, adopting a dog gives a loving home to a pet in need, providing them with a second chance at happiness. Most rescue dogs are already socialized and adjusted to living with humans, making the transition into your home smoother. Moreover, animal shelters often provide post-adoption support and resources to help you care for your new furry family member effectively. Embrace the rewarding experience of rescue and adoption, knowing that you are not only saving a life but also embracing a budget-friendly and meaningful way to bring joy into your home.